Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to delete app after the latest update of iOS 14.4.2. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, we are going to delete any app. For that, tap and hold any app and tap on remove app. iPhone not going to remove this app, just remove from home screen. Now we are going to solve this issue. For that, first we have to go to settings. Now scroll down, find and tap on screen time, and under screen time we have to tap on content and privacy restrictions. On that page we have to tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Under iTunes and App Store purchases we have to select deleting apps. Here we have to make sure that the allow is selected. Now go back to iPhone home screen, and now we are going to check to delete any app. Tap and hold Messenger, tap on remove app. Now iPhone give us a third option to delete the app. Tap on delete app to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.